entered all this information and selected finance stream. Can you see finance stream profile is selected, the checkbox?
Noted.
Noted. I think you need to scroll on the right hand side, right? Yeah, now
going
it is.
to,
Can see.
looks like the network issue. 1 second, there's a lag. So guys, can you see the scrolling now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I selected only finance stream because we want to share this page layout with only this, and we are creating a record type for only this profile. Okay. Now
Okay.
clicking on next button. Okay.
Okay.
Now here
Page
you
layout.
want to select which finance department. So you can ignore this one because this is by default Salesforce. You might think that for every profile this page layout is enabled, but it's not like that. Whatever we have selected in earlier page, the checkbox, that will only be applicable. And one more important thing I forgot to tell you guys. So you are selecting only finance stream. Is it okay to share with only one department here? There is one more important department that we have to share this object or this record type. What could be that what could be that profile?
HR.
Salesforce.
Okay.
Salesforce.
Salesforce user.
Salesforce. Guys, these are all the profiles, right? Here this record type we are sharing with only finance department. I am saying we need to also share as a standard, as a must and should, we have to share this record type with one more profile. What is that profile?
It's for the user. System admin.
Why? Because system admin should have access to all the things.
Correct.
Right? If he is the user, we are the ones, right? If we are the system administrator, then only we can see what kind of issues are happening on this record type. If we don't have access to this thing, how could we fix it, debug it, right?
Correct.
So mandatorily, when you are creating any record types, you have to select the required profile and system administrator also. Okay. Just click on next button. So finance department, just ignore all these things, just click on save. Now the record type is ready. Now we'll go to the user and see how it will work. Login. Monthly expense.
New.
See, what about HR fields? Are they gone?
Yes.
May month. Into amount is $5,000. Now observe 2 decimals are coming automatically, right?
Right.
Since it is we have enabled 2 decimals, two are coming, though we have not entered. If there is 3, 4, 5 like that, 5 digits will come.
Okay.
Finance POC is down. Date of expense, date automatically we can select it. Any date and save it. Okay. Now guys, similarly, let's create the same thing for finance department. Tell me the steps.
Finance or HR? As of now, we created
HR.
for finance.
Yeah, HR. Let's create for HR. You guys tell me. What shall we do first?
Page layouts for HR.
Let's create new one.
HR
HR department.
department page layout.
Save. What all fields we want here?
Need to remove.
Remove finance fields.
Since it's a mandatory field, we can't remove, right?
We cannot remove.
Then
So
we need
let's
to-
make it. Let's make it. This
Go
one.
to fields and relationship. Mark that as
to go for finance department expense. Edit. And check. Yeah.
Page layouts. Chart department.
remove that finance department.
That's-
Finance POC.
that
Yeah,
was-
done.
Then save.
Hey, 1 second, guys.
Yeah.
Mother kill. Mother kill. Wait. Go. Go to mom. Go. Yeah, my kid. Since I entered into another room, she walked in. Okay, now we have removed all the finance related fields, right?
Yeah.
Click on save. Now what is the next step?
We need to go
Go
for
to record types.
Okay, what next? New.
Record type for HR department.
record type. RT.
Short.
Anything is okay.
Okay.
Then adjust.
Okay.
Record type for HR.
You have to select this active, otherwise you cannot see this.
Oh,
Okay.
we
Now
need
tell
to
me,
enable for.
do we have HR department here? No.
No.
Let's assume this deals department as a HR.